Popo. Untwindi. I want you. Num Lonat. Adabako. Num Lonat. Adamienu. Num Lonat. Adamiensa. Num Lonat. No. Lonat scatter malaria. Lonat ide scatter malaria.
A quality product from Blaze GVS Pharma. Yenshishemu hu se malaria wa wumujam ansana wanum Lonat. Na nam yensearch na malaria no daso wo hwa ko hu dokota.
This advert is FDA approved.
Mofra eye nyankopon adoma chede mofra eye chede nyankopon de dom awofo enti so ye panyini na wotete akwada na sabofra no se wudi abofra nani wo hye abofra bi ane eye ade a wudi tieti akwada no ne fa hodie so broni se child abuse enti hu se akwada ye mobo na wo hye no ane no adai akwada ketu ete se no watu na jejemu yi wo hwe niema de aso akwada ketu ete se na ne kon nyina tai tinya omobompu akwada ketu na ade ntade ete se ahye no amna deje nyina gu hoi wonim se odi akwada yi ekwa kwoto amaniem atete kwada nani osu akwada famu no ya na buru adwene ntiase so why na kabia man kwada yi St. Anselm's Anglican Child and Youth Development Center wone Compassion International Ghana omode nkai bosemi ba wakwan mu na wonim se Ghana mamra no etiase otieti akwada bi fa hodie so de omode a na bodofsu anase any child related institution wo Ghana nyina bona manientem so na woni kron so a ukoyi wona sotire fa akwada bi atete ho no oma meda wo ho adi kai se enkai boy St. Anselm's Anglican Child and Youth Development Center one Compassion International Ghana and the ba wakwan
children of the future.
Mese, what do you cut on it? O katati ohrodien. Once you to niemum. Se sa die chia die se via niemo bono se muire tare so rianamuni. Nanso adwumaku ba ko pe ene odwene ho nti wose niema no. Wa tete so. Royal Foam atene niema so 10%. Oh yes, 10% discount ene odimo bia. Na wasa to ne bo ya fokura wie no. Ne asa chosu ye kwa free pillow with the ataju for ya tia some do and with the awesome rainy some wire dimpo no obeda mattress papa so ne board dofom na what does you free no so and until found you sike kita wo so rainy so obeda mattress papa so 10% discount yeah free so Royal Foam outlets bia o make them piano or recordo over to me a friend 020-227-1000. Royal Foam was so radio promo. Rest assured.
Now fear the only man I'm fearing you. If you're a friend, not just in what person or boss one. I am sure if you're very. The secret is Joy Chem Company Limited. Oh, Madam, Joy Chem Company Limited. Chance in Ice Beer, a bit of say IBR, IDT, SSR, self lock, circular, tile, and shingle. Now, my dear, my Joy Chem phone chance in a dance. So, Joy Chem Company Limited. For one Casamu factory, or one of Mutuamu chancing, where in your agent to me be. So usika sem kra hawa omo akwenya omo de be faso na wa faso no wetwa scan kakran ombe some free transport ade bi o ema omo chance ne de dance no say e kra strong gala cotton ema omo chance ne mpa ema no so angwe na nche nsoto so a enyino hwehwe Joy Chem Company Limited e was Sunyani DRA Poly Runabout at Ben Goyle Filling Station Promo 054-0125-818 locate the main factory on the Techiman Kumasi Road e was Hanswa Brigade. Yeah, Ben Liberty as on that. Over to me after Joy Chem for 054-0125-819.
Brother Bernard. Yes. Onia anope die ekom die demi pacho yenkope go baby ntowa ene nkwa die be salad kakra wele talia ina kokwa memre se ne yahye da ya ma mepe se wonim se ne mepe meduane
mama tabanya wo se wo to Vodafone made for me bundle office *530# e code da wo de benya achede ne seseye pa yahye da ya ma wo benya weni mu nyina free 1 Ghana cedi e ko
Brother Bernard enti wonim Vodafone made for me bundle ina wahye da die sie mi say
oh de boss *530# *530# Anio Manisha utrim say Odia we are sroku assign Vodafone made for me a chede ni sise ahudu me say nya chede ni sise ya edemufo a ya sheda yama bi ni minutes dodo a ode be call data ana internet na say minutes dodo ode be calls any data ya kan bom dia ma Odia dial *530# na for who di Vodafone made for me sise ni a chede mu ana download my Vodafone app no enya
Vodafone, further together. Anytime is a good time to have a break. Introducing Munchie Anytime Crackers. It's perfect for break times, party times, movie times, and snack times. Savor the moment. Enjoy Munchie Anytime Crackers anytime. Munchie Anytime Crackers. It's light and tasty.
This advert is FDA approved.
Naija people with the yarn better to big.
For Italian league, Osimhen goals can't be like 5 and 6, bruh. The Ballon d'Or remain no.
Hey, Jaruma, only you 250k for phone call, 1 million for face-to-face meeting.
No one tells a story like we do. Stream live football, local and international shows on Showmax, Africa's original streaming service. Sign up at showmax.com.
What a closet a mepi. Mentobi wa hankoma me wafa na sesen. Mame frɛ. Hello wafa.
Hello.
Nampa chodano modru hen.
Ya wie ni nyina. Aka water kroba.
Wafa, ye friend water closet. Na enka mepe complete. De esi ho no. Ana de omude bodan ho no. The modern ones aba no. Sunyan ho ebi wo ho. Ana fe mepe toilet squat.
Ha? Ni kra ha de mi ko fa we bi mame Musa.
If you're right, my papa. Company be one your friend Gintao Sanitaries. One year water closets, latest quality ones. One with the bagana. Na ebesi ventures bia. Your friend Anatabo Ventures. No the ababra for hanging na. Shinyai and wababepi. And near mana wafasian airpen. A busu cha. If you're right, Maminchlo. Sir unim post office eba bakuniaba. You waterworks. Any PWD. Sir unim ho. Benkumso. And Quantana doko. Newtown.
Baby, I beg you, Kenteno.
Motra baby, I'm in Kentena oko Newtown. Kwana. One sabenkum baby, I'm to pan on opposite. Abrosan fufu tentneke sieno. A form hope. First and second store. Water closet tempua. And it's a near my office here. Epeno. Abusu cha. Water closet monora abba. Dear, a sihoni be. Your friend complete. Ye were S shape. Ye were P shape. And watchi. Dear Mia Pampamua na a flashy. Afe. Dear the border. Ye chimuno ebi wo ho now hand washing basin open full set and 9 si ho anansa half afi toilet part no eye de omo sense ni bi abuso cha wo Anatabo Ventures e wo sunyan ha if you right Anatabo Ventures offer sa water closet and accessories no direct from Gintao Sanitaries e wa monane enti obeto a or the mount atufo bo me kire wholesale price enti sunyaman any brand for mantama nyina sa we contractor institution na open water closet type beer shape beer dia anasa hand washing basin beer dia woni kire ba bia ma kire wo ana for 055 3288 616.
Hey, you ever buy credits where you get up to 20% of your money back before? Make I tell you about Vodafone's demo promo. See, anytime you recharge a demo, you get up to 20%, whether it be short code or your Vodafone cash wallet, or you don't use credit transfer to your number or someone else. And now you be high tech, so you don't use my Vodafone app or any payment app. However you do, Vodafone go send you up to 20% cash back into your Vodafone cash account. We reload here, but then you enter. Top up your airtime with 5 Ghana cedi or more in Vodafone's demo promo. And receive 20% of your money back straight into your Vodafone cash wallet. Recharge and cash out in the Vodafone demo promotion.
Vodafone, further together.
Ojam, o wife otu kwana. O tade no pie kura. Ana wo mpedi biu. Me wife skin ne de enye skin na ye di pie ni biu. Ne skin no ente se o wife die ya. Atoso soko ani da ho kama yi biu. Wife, beti ya da bonu mu.
Na want of V22 body cream no.
De biu, me mpese obepo no hu.
V22 body cream. Eye hydroquinone free. Enti empo honamani. Na mum se wo yetuntumu. Koko. Ema honamani to so kama.
Sa
V22 body cream de. Se enkete se won skin hu hia won no nesra wo. Emfa ho ne mfia wadi. What asra V22 body cream debia. What skin eye te so bebunu. What the honey, carrot, shea butter, and the brightening properties of argan oil. Any vitamins ahodo and na carbomaye. V22 gumo ahodo. Yewo V22 body cream and na V22 anti-aging face and body cream.
Na menye bia to wahi.
V22 cosmetics and the produce. Ebe nso wo supermarket and the cosmetic shops mu. Dodoa from 050-127-6028 and 026-441-0099. Adea Akye Abia nkra to yatum.
Yenina yetie Sompa.
Sompa FM. Sompa TV. Sompa, Sompa, Sompa. Sompa, Sompa.
All right, so Atenase Parkland so joining us now. There's a good news about my young. So your regional hospital, according to Minister for Air Health, Era Kwaku Ajimai, Adea Akye Abia just said cabinet approve says your regional hospital no. Join us on Facebook. Your regional hospital is saying it here. Now, say yeah, they call the level of a teaching hospital. Eti ya babe pay mama standard 9 say Udu Confederacy Teaching Hospital. And the hospital I can see I walk Ghana Hano. Once I had the Nyan Rusa. Eti refer cases bebre ya fa nkoko lebua. Ne da Confederacy. Na Adea baako ababua pa ne se yetibi peja sukui ahodimus free the state was say status was say near the kodru teaching hospital ababua ya ma yetimi atete a lot of doctors enti anya me nwa kra se enche University of Energy and Natural Resources betimi anya bibi ti se doctor for entity Abia honum. And it's a good news for us. Na anope ye bedi hun komo pa. Na mekonam ne lawyer William Kusi adi komo. Ono aye head of communication Emma Era Akompreko Kennedy and Japan campaign team no in Ashanti region. Kanza anope marche.
Mejo so minia.
Na important say
oh yes we share me papa
anra ne hu say no ballot in enya ba na ye hu ya ne say mo da wiem honum
da soro
we I can be na
bebre ba minia de wa kire anipa nim ne say emra honorable kofa ne form no dan so to the whole Ghana. That custom in the form no and so to biti. In fact, yes, summit TV and a gem. In fact, Emra Ken Babno or call Buzi and Naso.
Sompa FM.
I caught Serrano and so to baby Ojinano. Now, sir, ballot room and only 8th person or pick a ballot paper. Na 7 didn't can pick it. Obia number 1. Or pick it enough for number 1. Then you answer him the one actually. And couldn't dear. And it's just a confirmation of the Nyamiaka. It's usually as it said, and I don't know what you know. Number 1. And to be a share or share from for ballot paper now, there's no need scrolling through the first one, pam. Now, baby.
Mammy Musa say no. Campaign there, Mamba Pra, Day in, day out. Meaning, say, amanfo decision to join mu team no more currently obeka some ho odin gina say
ya ho odin de say ya kula bro ya adwene ne yenti ase so the kind of acceptance yenya minia delegates na come ho no omo she boshe na enam se ne carry ya hunti nim se anya fanfu boshe aye organic love part of my show. We say there's the concept that Sir John introduced the fear delegates. Me say it doesn't apply because Sir John had an expectation because no necrophobia kasa ye bibia mom. Ya no fees on beto mom. Ye nyet ha ne man. Ye the asem the message. And ye the tuju said dear candidates na ye ni o ama party. Well jinema ma party ni sika so congress was metu yaka. Party say mini pick up was Munye. He has died for the party. And an abraba wa bonso say ni dikan wo man ma o man be ye. He akeka niema wa ye in his private capacity as a businessman and a politician. The room say hey, ni o say pass wo man na ya to ma for speeches no moka. And ya oh and we will go for him. At least we know that for a change somebody who is different will come and lead the country, and we are sure. Say, obedi mama mana adiye. Enti, ama to message ni papa. Baby ebeko bia, am say Adea na dane. Adea na dane. Let's say before we came, they had different ideas, but after we came and left, they now believe in the gospel of Canada, Japan, and they will begin celebrating. I am very confident. So about one, Aya Krojina, Canada will come on top.
Aya Krojina say cancel.
Katasumu Muyaso, Chinchim Sabia Maso, and Una Maswa, Kennedy will win overwhelming.
Now, we are Mama Tia Diana Daniasi because all this one I meant Tiasi. Adiana Dana is a Omamuko or Muneka say, Adiana Dani. Anna say,
no visa will be there. No more Kennedy story. No, hey, there was special person who say, "Well, Ghana and Yasori had to do Mama talkative."
Hello, Council. Oh, hello, Council. Oh, lawyer Homano article, but that is Kennedy Japan. Ken or Henry Japan. My main show say na Adea niye. Omoko on the balloting no, and he saying about appear a war. A year paper na e beto about so no, MPP before beto about so no. Saying a bay. Era Ken or Henry Japan. Anna Dasro. Anna era Alan John Kwajoche Martin. Eda number 2. Anna era Jogati. Eda miensa Kwajo Poku Eda and 9 Dr. Ousu Free Akuto Eda enum Ana Kwabena engineer Kwabena Japan Eda ensia Francis Adea Nimo Ana da 7 Ana Dr. Kofi Kunadu Apreku Eda 8th position. Ana Wache Chamatin Ejakun. Okay. Wache Ejakun. You're running so that number 9. Ana Excellency Dr. Mahamudu Bahumia. And so that Asiho, the 10th position. The way MPP Presidential Election Committee for Ana Desankrata we buy here. Menya bi ewo hanum menya bi ewo hanum yera Kwabena paadi ne den abankwa yeboa udie muntu behu ona vice chair ema committee no yeah ona vice chair edema vice chairman de ma sa election committee no ono ensa ana echase ewo honuma ohu Dr. Srebo Kweku no and so Ensa from you can say Electoral Commission on a Director of Election services electoral commission for aso ye ti sa na eguso a eze obi ready mini man di pa ba cha do pay
yenya do kwa me
efom ti say
obade adumakura me ho ye
about what they are interested obi had interpretation man
de sa na ye
ai say kan Japan no muka ade no adane ana Dr. Mahmoud Ba omi amonso ka signal so me ka signal no network na signal na ana free akoto se akuafo na ai we ku ye yo ala ngo je Martin ye duru mi so na ye duru mi so ai eze doctor ai kunadu apragu se on so duru mi so
okay
ano me hwe me reading ai go se ye ka omu nyina on na di kan pre bi first to no pa na eduru so tamo pre no na ala mu nyina ampre bi da to on na ye senior most eduru so ansa no
juniors
wuti TV so what
juniors eduru mi so nyina ba
on a senior most eduru mi so ti odun fi ansa na junior eduru mi so for that me akasabi di oro so se ba the buy so aropa wote lawyer say ada can copy ken forms no inso toye so peken forms na inso jem oba bi e hanso okoguzi a ayin so babia ya enamu
ni fio
ya ni fio oduwa na ezo se jem ana nenso ona ni porto so 7 ana okofai no bia fefa de obefa ono kofa no fa 1 na minim se
amna so nsuto
amna di so no but se okofa 1 no che se 1 no e kire first kunimdie enti omudie se hunhum wiase minim se afo o wiase e kire se de esie no ana ebe ni so
okay
enti se obia anye frakadam bia wo abato ehu dia hands down for Kennedy Japan na de de yi a kire obri nyina kire se Yakopon akasa wi enti ken de ebefa na minim se ase ho nso kai hey those days na president Kofo former president Kofo ase okay ase wa ya ba beto aba obse be radio mi ni pe obo mi se mfimfini zo bia be kan de interested pa onwe
kwa me nyame adome ho ye anope common kidinkiti bi na ewom ti se mo aibi mbasma me kitchen ho a no wako he bibia ba kan me bua pa
so free na bai
o dabi
I'm free
na bai
a good story, good news about my regional hospital ya upgraded ya teaching hospital
and
they ba kwa ya ko ho
and na minim se
na I'm happy say about our time
but
what one na mo
yes aba say ono na aye yanka se awo na aye in fact and there I must be emphatic awo na ye ho adwuma nyina wo de opa frekwakwa adwuma men na ni ho nkomo anamon a awo atu e wo sa teaching hospital ho a abeduru nei kwame enya asem ketwa eno nko ade mfa credit ne ma no
yes ma me na bre
wa bre ho papa
na se mi sa ade ba ko a na ni beje pa oba enjoy pa ye se nyame ya dum na kotokrom kwan no so menim se da bia samba ko hia me o kan wanze sa da sa kwan ni bewie no oda obeda pa
that's right
oda obeda
say the teaching hospital enya ba so dey menim se cabinet approve dem menim se kotokrom so cabinet kuro na ba approve
yeah se cabinet form to me approve na ye dia
o
make sure so mba approve kotokrom kwan dey zero bua because they say na ba say no anope ma mencha the vice chancellor University of Energy and Natural Resources na mencha Hayford Clark enso honum ade ba ko so mpa ya ne say no mu fight for upgrade of a regional hospital no mu agenda
send you because agenda papa
papa
because omo ho no and be university obenya lecture house ni manema ana
also
Dr. Sinadie
o hwe omu nkofo a omu wa they are ready.
Yes.
Yeah. On say do omu ahye nursing ase.
Omu degree nursing.
Degree nursing. And that is one of the fast growing courses omu ye ana some time ago me call campus na many bi didi nkomo no mche say o hwe kwan omu fa so twa omu de ne materials that they use just
any lectures
compared to other facility and as institution omu de no was yeah ti we dey say we twa fufu na atonkwam definitely ye benya you can say medical school ewa ne omu facility ne sa
ye be bia ka ho definitely
because almost get fun
ebase na the pressure aba na the pressure aba but indeed enya aba ne de na aba eba nso de a wo sa ade ne ba ade nipa bebre no an ka ho
yeah
so once the cabinet approve no eba with infrastructure eba with more lecturers eba with more facilities to say baby on be sua de ene mo be sua de ne sa ne mane nyina no ebeba because ade na problem wo mu pa e university a ombenya ade a kire doctors na de ene baby a ombenya mfidie ne ma ade asua de na de ba kon so a e ma ne in se on se se ba se hospital bi e pejana ma be teaching hospital a ade ba kon aboa pa no pe na wo ka ho asem e ye se yenya baby a referrals ebeko ehia papa eno ya de kese a mfaso kese a de bebre mpa say specialist a omo lecture e we universities a na nka obi no mu kuma se ne nkran no ma omo na to de din pa ye frɛ wo no ebi e beba sunyane ha nti yade bi no ma na nka ye maka so ana pin pon utranye yi a onu tachiri na wona wo kro no ne nyina e betwam na yenya specialist kro na bi e wo ha dise bibi na besi na me mfasa ama ne e obi amana ye adwuma a edin na bro adotafo e ho bi no ahoden so a referrals na ti say ahaya between ne bi eno ne ade ame de e ma ne jikese pa nti aye mfaso e de mabono man because na bono northern part ha ba bi ani ho a jisi bi atamale ba bi ani ho bi wo nti yenya bi wo mfimfiri he ne se e beboa ye pa
yo e kra ne hwe gate na e beboa because yeah neighboring countries no kra
omo nyina omo fa patronize hospitals o kod ya doma president hospital ho said they could bo afo no si ba ho enya agro omo papa nti referrals ne bebre na ebeba ha na eno so atimi aboye nti very good news anope asem da yate e de kata ya we ho so kakra aye de ya boso ha ne ya de hia pa nti awo anope ma menti awo na me mu abaso sense aba ugu ye ne bra obre ye no sabi anya kwa na mi adom oda ya so no atimi abam
okay but I'll try and get your right menu and I say awo anopai na one of the things are diaspora for Baumia DMB diaspora for DMB almost next to lead best to lead next to lead best to lead na o ma try die bi na me dekeke say MPP campaign 2024 vote Baumia get Samira free about here diaspora for the say diaspora for DMB almost say MPP campaign 2024 vote Baumia get Samira free I say
yana misri
free no free sebia omuhia bibi wo ne hofo
fa so da nya kona ahwe ma ne ho o say in the realm of the potential first ladies actively engaged in campaigning platform for either the NPP or NDC, Samira Baumia stands out alongside Nana Kunedu Ajima Rawlings. Her captivating presence ignites tremendous enthusiasm during the MPP rallies of the 2016 and 2020 campaign. The 2024 campaign would be very exciting to have Samira Bawumia going after Mahama as a potential first lady. Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia must win the MPP presidential primaries to make this happen. NDC ran more efficient campaigns when Rawlings and his wife Nana Kunadu led separate teams to crisscross the whole country. Also, while Rawlings led a group of party stalwarts in the south, Nana Kunadu met women in the north with her 31st December women's wing of the party. Those were crowd pulling days for NDC, and their rallies were ecstatic, okay, with party supporters and floating voters. However, with Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia and Samira, the table turns in favor of the MPP. In 2020, Mahama leveraged his female vice presidential candidate to gain more support from women, akin to Nana Konadu contribution to Rawlings and the NDC, with Dr. Bawumia as the presidential candidate. Samira effort will intensify to counter Jane Nana's campaign in the presidential. In 2024 election, Samira will make deeper inroads into NDC strongholds. None of the 10 presidential candidates possesses a dynamic campaign spouse. Hey, MPP4, capable of executing this strategic endeavor to break the 8. Samira youthful charisma, persuasive abilities, and fashionable more
adjectives.
Who attract the gathering of young Ghanaians, particularly young women. Influence will be instrumental in winning over Zongo women, galvanizing support from the youth and appealing to the general voting populace. On behalf of the MPP, a remarkable set of lady-led campaign groups will emerge to rally behind Samira, promoting Dr. Bawumia and MPP. She will not only be a firebrand campaigner for her husband and the party, but also an essential asset in Dr. Bawumia's potential presidency. Ghana is poised to witness an exceptional duo reminiscent of the experience of Barack and Michelle Obama as the first gentleman and first lady. It will be an experience to behold. Dr. Bawumia must win, and this is re-echoed in the voice of the diaspora. Diaspora for DMB, diaspora for Bawumia, diaspora voice. Kwesi Owusu Free Finland, communication research director. Diaspora for DM, na chairman. Diaspora for DMB, Kingsley Ayinkra Diodu Onu UK. My dear, shall let it come on. About matching.
Yana Nkwantabisa. Fashion for politics.
Votes get abroad my free.
Yes, sir. But you're my fan of
you get free. You go and enjoy.
Who said me a honor a tifia seven baby amentia see and no say a tifia seven kwame. Who said Oma describe Mammy Samira Bawumia de not to ye mame I refuse to grow ye mame now couldn't do my rolling sap. The one of the be huna or ya baba no one for pan. And ye maybe a chemuno say ye papa JJ Gina platform so no can't NDC or kasana ni minimuno eye do sana e domone bojine so na kuna do gina ho na oye motivation mo bi so wasi afa ne ho se de bia we look young I mean fresh cute nti na your motivation ma obi say no mo kire se de o kenka krata yi dia eye no kure obi wo ho a ope fashion
yeah
ena maame Samira Bawumia begina campaign platform so no nya asem na wo beka a kire nipadom na etie no no ne style na ehye no na ope akopam bi
asem wo fa ne nko a
hwe ye mu bebre a ye hwe Ghana most beautiful no style ne ye pe o ne ye si asem na wo ka no meme fi western of ni mo mako ababakọ asem bebre matra bunu man mu matieti na nanu abakọ asem bebre obi wa hafo watie bebre but nipa di begina ho ne style no na ye ne fe asta we mepam bi gina ho anu atwa to ne phone so kre maame Samira Bawumia be gina ho ni makeup kra na ekunu no amami die ni makeup de obo uhu kra se yatwi nanim yentete mo ho te se de yakwa ntwoma so ohunu o se amami pa se de ni style yi mekwa kopam bi mepam bi ya me wedding eno na ye fe o ntie bia for free na eno a ti wo per style na wontumi nko ne nchen nko kanjen se ma mpa cho wo menya wo kaba stay ya kwa akopam bi odi be gina campaign platform so anu watwa akopam bi ahye na ba bia de afanie
o ehia pa ta utia ho wo se be ma de
diaspora
se udi dwuma bi na unya oba bi a ono so wa ho keka na edom edi na kira aye kama pa
kwa me eto aba 2016 no ho
eto aba pa
2016 mimi hunu ne se President Akufo-Addo now President Akufo-Addo all banyina na dodo na agina Dr. Bawumia ne yire so
pa
ewo mu se
oni ne yire nyina
Dr. Bawumia ne yire mi hunu ne se ewo mu se na do no aye campaign ewo mu se na His Excellency Yankasa call ne amanfo kasa gina platform so but the popular phrases one this one that one Kwame one Akuya one village one dam, one district, one factory, one Muslim, one cow, one zongo, one inner city development. Sa one this, one that, you know. Dr. Bawumia na ma beto nipa bebre dream. So unti won say no, say ye pe akontabu a no obi e ka so, nya Bawumia na ka say. One village, one dam. Nya Dr. Bawumia na ka say, won say ye bisa one this, one that na se free ni ho. Wo hu no.
Yeah.
Enti ebema Sadia no ma etoni papi trim. The proponent of one this one that policies was Dr. Bawumia. Ena Kwame ohwe nso so a abre bia wo begina ho ne dru ba bi no. I stand for correction but mantai hunu say me mama Rebecca Akufo-Addo in the words of President Akufo-Addo my beautiful Rebecca. Na mantai hunu say my beautiful Rebecca tai eye campaign bi gidigidi so gina ho kasa. But the Drew Babia, Mama Samira Bawumia got the opportunity to speak to electorates. Nana the voice and so yes so the dead to the extent say you want to vote for Mahama? You want to vote for Mahama and be in Doomso for another 4 years? Na and no quiet to say Cyril Ramaphosa mobro funibi. South Africa for bro fubino.
Yeah.
And now say Ghana for binum ya batwo enya policies nkwa na ya fall for niama obi gina so to aba no ye nkete bia anya huhu saa
obi mu ka say me kai Satman President Akufo ba almost all of them obi awadi bibia omu asem bi omu ka fa me kai tete no obi ka che sen ene na ntu mu ho o say Rollins ehun fekeke
asa enu anti o so me share for kokko no na mawu
that was the campaign message
o say Rollins for fe
o say me share President Policy gina ho say brane as a Goliath meto ama so obi so hwe ma former president ma o say awurade be ma na so wasei be ma no gina mu be ma pani meto ama wura mahama obi hwe President Akufo-Addo say papa yi wa bia ni mfia kwa akodure da bi o ma me wia Ghana sika ma me to mo wura mahama enti obi a wodi ogina so to na aba what you say eti obi feel say doctor
obi hwa ahofe no
obi
hwa form na wa
obi hwa form obi hwa tribe
say President Akufo-Addo de oba say ni osi wo killer face no becheche nkofo atu
wallahi ena before kura so obeba no Kwame who can say yeti word be for President Akufo-Addo who say let me quote from those phrases Mr. No Nonsense Man so obeka Mr. No Nonsense Man now the late Kaba ye ko meet the press obisa president Akufo-Addo say papa me ye te bench ho no ye ti udi sa wo de emfamfo afichire o sebi semfo wo chiri kokokokoko na papa asa wo ba ye wo no nonsense my din na ye de ma ye nya hu show na ye temu na president Akufo-Addo smile ye na oyi asem na no so ye ntemu me nti no e ma obi susu say no obi owo opposition otumi lead demonstration kumi preko dom ebedi na chi no obedi president ya then $1 million go be dem so hunu nti obi to aba no ohese president Akufo-Addo ye sabi no nonsense man ye mfa upon for some ne sabi akakabe nsam ne asisi ye mfa na fichire but tonsium nti obi so kwa akoto a obehye owura Kennedy Japan man wey wodo opa di bone odu naked video be ba bonten opa ye bone obechew won se so no bia ya hye ne tirim se Kennedy kanokore sabi Kennedy pensem fun ne de no no obi so ahwa owura lanchremanten oye brew na oye slow motion na oye slow poison won ye bokoboko no hwe mu yie o take decision no na o jaw life ma wa wonya de bebom wom wo hwe ho hwe enye yie wo take decision awie oye firm unse obi so dia waka for owura lanchremanten ho no no na fe obi aba Dr. Mahmoud Baumia me meto ama no efri se sa papa we won ne kan one this one that niema ni bia tumi abamu a eja ebia na ebinum so mamu yie no waka no de akwakwasi so Dr. Mahmoud Baumia on ne ka same en taxi mobile money nti ya fe mobile money e levy buy no wanka ho asem da te se wo ye principal man wo ye firm obia woni de ne definition obi beka kwabreje Japan sa man no happy before you ni free on party one kasa bebre no do party ninti omo pamo no a secretary what akire hodi no obo na dwuma obia benya bibia ka finance Dr. Free Yakoto Samai no a Greek minister kuafo ne do no a Greek minister odi nua no ministries koton obia wo bibi papa bi ebe ka fa ne candidate ho but at the end of the day esi ani ne tu ahene for no na be ka say we ni yepe nipa numa yebe say ye to omo so abanie among nipa num no na omo ankasa atwu su ba ko de na brega na for say ye nipa ye de na banie nti ye de ye twen last minute na no me hu nkrata bia na omo sign ba ko kurukuru wa twe ho Sunyani is on hold.
I think maybe amount nyako
Adienes
krubede
because now show mo super delegate no regional executives ni nyina be kobi na conference chairpersons no so be kobi ba wo hwe ye ha no mo no a ye east ha no mo twe ho on hold na msia na Adienes because ye nim se see ya ye ka say Ewura Bartholomew na MPP for kama ya te so ye chairman so ahunu nti de na aba na no so ye te say Ewura Kennedy ba ha no executives na wa hot CCA you know ekohia no nti na say ya gi wo matom no mo ye conference executive nti ada na ya twe ho on hold once ne so koye na say fact say ntim ho ase kakra wo ho
both parties no koye
amara mata say
on say almost sorry case in court and MPP as a party entimi fa court and mutwi form
okay
omudi mraso and for that matter area bia e ho asem e court bia no omumu court mraso
Sunyani is enye court asema
na eden
court abu awie
na eden
court abu awie kire se enhye ya ese court ehwe ma ye adwuma no na enyansiye because tempa no court kan say aboma ye de to aba e wo Sunyani is ma ye benya executives no sa abon no enye ye twam si ye twam dia na aba omkoto ye na e de ngina so jene de court awuru dada tina kan hye ya am be free penifo aba say afei de e bia ebredu say Sunyani is ye ya abon foforo ye koto aba no foforo and na aka
so it's still legalities.
Yes, it's illegalities now.
Because Osi Sunyani East constituency is not taking part in the upcoming presidential special delegate conference of the New Patriotic Party, according to the National Party, New Patriotic MPP. The Sunyani East constituency is faced with serious legal tussle, hence nobody is a delegate. Edipa wenini Oh, no, we talk once out. I think, sir, back on way. Okay. Abron, thank you. Abron, mommy, information be what order to then set aside album. Upon reading the affidavit of Owusu Secretary Richmond, resident of Sunyani in the Bono region of the Republic of Ghana, the plaintiff or the applicant, herein filed on the 4th day of May 2022 in support of motion on notice to set aside an album. And upon hearing Moses Kofi Oba, who is a lawyer, counsel for and on behalf of the plaintiff, herein, it is hereby ordered that the purported album compiled by the 2nd to 10th defendant and submitted to the first defendant in respect of the polling station executive and electoral areas coordinators election of the Sunyani East constituency for the New Patriotic Party is set aside. It is further ordered that the first defendant is to delete from its national database names of persons purportedly elected as polling station executive and electoral areas coordinators or officers for the Sunyani East constituency of the New Patriotic Party, sealed to take in normal course, given under my hand and the seal of the High Court of Justice Sunyani this day, that's 11th day of May 2022. Okay, very well. Tipa ina bana regions no obia de oho na we ye chairman for our various areas no ti hwe banda omudie oho ohwe Brekum East, Brekum West, Doma Central, Doma East, Doma West. Come o de bra Sompa 98.9 on Facebook. Now enjoy what we are sharing. Doma West, German North, German South, Sunyani East, Sunyani West, time Wenchi Afei Oba Brekum East, Brekum West, Doma Oba ti Sunyani East. And no instead of saying Sunyani East, yeah dear no ide baye empinkoa edi ne ba yera honorable Kwesi Ame Acheme Odudina eba into hwe Sunyani Easter chama biadin yo. Well, unlike the other ones that you have chairman for nyina Sunyani East chairman on hold ano mo twere share ho enti with Sunyani East no chairman biani ho a okwa to be na okay Siaka Steven honorable Siaka Steven be kwa to be the dean ho no regional rep the regional council reps here honorable Siaka Steven Dr. Tina Abrifajan and founding members near Prince Yabua Mafu Cheme Nelson on say okay so on MPs Brekum East and these are people party no amomu kwan with their ID numbers and everything na umbetimi akwa to sa abaya beba so ibi. Okay, I see.
Oh, sa se mo ino de e mo binum
ma memre nyaako
Kwame. Hey. Na 2022 ruling na anya adwuma.
Sa ntina na me ka kire se court e ka sa asem no ache na na se be ye be hwe ba sa nhye no a court de betu dwa na aye adwuma ena na aka the ruling de on sa wo kan na me ka se ruling ni de abadada
yeah
ntina sa de
party no na mumfa anya adwuma
party no na me hunu se amfa anya adwuma okay but then say ni adwuma anya anya ni gina se bia me ka se na nsem ho mpanimfo etwo nsa frɛ afene ni nyina ma me akra me nya kwanya ko bi
oh okay
tie no mko hia na se akoye se sebe ye dia enenka yenya ye metrase nenka yenye bibi ti se ebia shared government bi so ena eno antimi amaso ti eno antimi amaso na se panimfo ni ada ofisi se be ka se ene na che se abano na se etun foforo ti bi ka se na se mo kra general secretary tra afidie so interview bi mu ma no so obo so se Sunyani is problem wa ha eso mo hwe no mo solve ti modalities e beba am ehun se bia abon no ye be hya se foforo e da se ne be hya se atwero din no e da se ne ye hwe se ye beto polling stations and electoral area coordinators na ba no ni wia ya hyeda ye de be ye constituency executive elections no eno na e ma ya ba mu ntubi
ofa we dia mesre kwa me we de adaroma ma ye o party mu asembo ye kakra. Does that mean say sa bom ya setting aside won ye fofora eno no mo de beto police station for de mboa
abon ebe ye no ene de beto aba bia wo constituency ne mu ento aba eyi police station executives ni akoto electoral area
na police station for na be yi electoral area for
police stations na members no e wo police station bia no ene beto aba eyi police station executives.
Okay.
Na police station for na so ato aba ayi electoral area coordinators.
Na electoral area coordinators na ba be yi
abeka sa group no ho. Ye nya sa abon ni wia. Sa nipa ewo mu a omoto aba. No mo ye registered members a omudi wo registered mu no. Na ye ne electoral area coordinators, police station executives. Na o maka bom akoto aba ayi nipa won be ye constituency executives.
Okay.
Sa ankrofo na ene ba akoto aba ayi member parliamentary candidate obejina constituency executive ne sa registered members no any who coordinators na omudi wo abon no.
Okay.
Omo na registered members omo ye delegates e was a constituency ni mu ti omo na beto aba e de yi aspirant wo ho obejina ma party no ene sa abato ni nti e be ha say with polling station elections ebenya polling station executives na no ne members omo register ene beto sa aba no. If you are near coordinators, Tisako for na become members and home, Akotuaba, Eddie constituency executives. No mass Akotuaba, a parliamentary candidate.
Meba Kafra, semi-chuan. Baba, Anope Marche.
Minia, na Mehoya na unso.
Namia dum. Ohoya dia, Yadoba dia se. Baba Mando, special aid ma, Yera Kwesi, Amia Cheme. Baba, sir. Latest ya na se men kan say we no beka na abo ana we abon circulate ya minim se wahu bi ya bobo chairman for obom kwa akoto aba afedru Sunyani East ya won say on hold na show baba wahu bia what is the interpretation from your side?
Me da say ma memfa enjeka se ndika ma woni wati for menua me portfolio hia me pa me Sunyani East constituency communications officer and sana special aid to the MP. It shouldn't be that difficult for us to understand because me makoto about original makoto about national ba. Now krata ya o kan wa sebe nyamianim no kureni party national council kwatena se e the directive by kwan be faso ato aba mebo a Justin Kodu Afrimpo na ye general secretary na sensan san krata na yasa na chi sa krata we ya o kan wa sebe ba cho wan na san. But you want to say,
Baba, where Abba na say then?
But you mean nipa na nko de send on campus of friend bisano because me dey ebi a obi say me say ma hu bibi o am say ma hu bibi na make kan me ntimi nkyere de eye because party on a channel of communication but don't ma say dey enti ade na me nso bi hu ya wo kan wan say me fi say no na wo kan say ya twetwe odi mi say da usika no na ya twetwe Sunyani is on hold nya no and I maybe say was saying, but you just go there from Paul, as I cracked at me, no, Neboa. Ever any answer coming, but you're not one.
Very well, there no candidate, man who said neck count.
Number two, we know Yana.
Oh, no, you don't ask me my source of information.
I don't know.
That is not journalism. Oh, almost have
one would say, make us a dear free party, Hono. Mr. Justin could you from Pone chief executive when I sign young Krata. Bibi bia decision bia e beteke Sunyani East on the communicate. Na me say why na sign all there na o can so signature wo ho ana bi no.
Baba say if Adea I can authenticate and come in through.
Me da say and na me say
make inquiry say what would be I discredit it. But so who gets over to question how do I get the reports of and
come o frame say obi sam question sabi ebunu. Ebra payin na won frame na obi sam question na me so me the question me boss say signature ni ho na mom say free party ho a Sunyani East ye any problem. There what sakrata na so kra no. Yes on hold and anya sanete. A hold just a council be
on hold.
On hold just a council be.
Dabi.
Say on hold umpire as a party decision. Any here, but let me put it clear here and now. Sunyani is constituency executives. You got to about regional, got to about national. Me no kasa say CIA. At the end of the day, secretary be a banoma communicate. Every region wa yes. Ebediatum. Every party wa ebediatum. The can say a respected party. Yeah, young go for you. But the American yan say, krata yen timi validate the authenticity there. Bibi ebe can be outside the box. A speculatory conjecture. And I think say, sakrata na meseni di kwa so kopim say you never establish the veracity of it. And sakrata nipa na ono de ma ono nke so ono be di hu nkomo pa sana ye kura ye hu na nka apo amen so ma hu ba bi odifiri. But all the same, me bu munti mo frɛ na wasa meje mo so.
Aba medase.
Medase yam shira mo.
All right, Baba Amando na what is say yene no edi nkomo anopai from the New Patriotic Party MPP Oba Sunyani Easter omonso side and our version of the story. But Joshua Gusua yeah say yebenya other sources na ya confirming the authenticity of yes but I don't think say if a album yen sign if you more for bring business me use album ya sign that unless a pa what will be a mean who be that.
Album yen sign who say ebia enya complete because you know you bono kwa
yeah
bono kwa de na aba tibe dey kura na
bono system na obia region na said you so hotel no at the one region na eba enti way information make us say in IT make us say we collect data from a particular region which is bono and why are the way nyina bono regions
and me who say be kura signature be was here as aboma said you work no ebeba at the end of it all na essence we need complete na enya regions ni nyina nti me yini say yebenya mu signature bi awoso and na me dwena ho nti well minimum the but we na signature ni ase ni de me ntimi nkire say because we for more part of national album obne koye special delegates congress akoto aba no we a special album wo ma said quality to be a part of a full album bi anipa no kotu bono de ye no de abeto the signature bi kura wo mu amenyi ni say ebeba we na se
exactly we crowd sha
so
a computer generated tinipa ni twa ne sa
no de bre and I will treat for the part no de.
So what I'm seeking to do this morning say me pese me how true is this document,
how authentic is it?
Yes, and nothing I'm pese me for the other side Joe tries on JFK didn't come up, but I think in a line a little bit busy. Yenyana Anope will confirm from him. But the all the angles. Yes, Sunyani East. See what say ya to abani elected there. Baba Mando a communication director officer. More than director. Edmund Sunyani East. And I'm say formally na omu coordinating because omu tenaso. Na that was who. Master was almost suspended.
Maxwell na ye.
That Maxwell na ye.
Suspended so you replace no.
Almost suspend one replacing. So from there no ebia chamadanta na wo honum Sunyani is right. On okay. So I confirm from him to
on asela we chairman because according to information me wono on handy over kura ma ubia.
On handy over.
No.
Hey. Sunyani is for.
On handy over ma ubia. Party near my own ho nyina that's one ho sesi ameka say.
And not you preaching.
What your friend?
Wow. Joe, my menya chamadanta we are confirm JFK there no am I na yenhwe baby I deal with free ba you better fish out, don't worry.
Enya bia super delegate conference ya omo bekoi unse na me pese of a clear my yeti ase or the free polling station executives electoral area coordinators na oboboba anti no unse baba mando kan se wo mato regional executives aba asan akwoto national executives aba ni bi enti na me bisa se me na me kwoto national executives aba ni bi as a regional executive constituency executive minya akwatumi to regional minya akwatumi akwoto national. Does that mean say abona yede to abayi me constituency executive ne ho aba asem a to me a sa abone de ma me na metumi de koyi regional tumi asa abone de ma me na metumi de koyi national executive no say sa tumi ni ho biem a na abaya to ni nyina no so ye be kwa kwato ne foforo ana
Brother, multi-billion-dollar. The attorney say, on say, Sadana, ye to your regional elections. No, if you are someone you are quite cool, the course of party say, electoral commission and son as Sadian Bebano. Now when ya ruling be
okay.
The electoral commission penny for
really, yeah, shown with Facebook queen.
Ah, the action Facebook. So really now, Kwame, I can no. Now the woman party say. Na electoral commission for nsa aka bi nti ukofwe mu a abato a ekoto ye no omoto ya ma ekoduru Sunyani East de na eso omoto no omo yi safo no firim
na ye asementim ho ase
na ne se na ye mentim ho ase electoral commission ma yeti ase se one de krata ne nsa aka nti no ontime mu kotu nse so na kina ko fisi contempt bia
okay
nti obeye no wayi sa eye Sunyani East executive na ombeto aba no wayi wo ma firim nti abato na ekọ no eye afamie nu because afamie nu a na de electoral commission for supervise ye ekosi ye eji Sunyani East for free
nti EC supervise election de Sunyani East abato mpesi aso no wa mo man to
be
okay
what you say because now omo no kire so omo nsaka sa court ruling ni bi ti omo gina mu say ye hwe sa abato no so a na ebu court nse so and wachi ena mpanimfo na ankasa ewo ho no esuba say ye ma omunya interim electoral commissioners a ombegina mu e ma yeto the other ones na Sunyani East ka ho. That is the issue a course ho to be sasa na tie it formally electoral commission
supervise mu di onim se Sunyani East nto aba wa ma Sunyani East kwan an to regional executive die ni bi
am to regional executive die ni bi
but regional constituency executive sa baba amando ka ho bi no enrechi wo mu call to national ba we di yi yewra Steven team ne yewra Justin Kodua no wo mu koto
omo ko bi according to information me won say so omo koto ye
that means say omo mumra ne so a omo mumra e free court ba ye no ana
ene de mintimi ndia no ene de eye emra ene aloya fo ne bitumi ayi wa no sese nti za na e koso MPP mu so
masam de complicated
ye koso no
o prepare mu to opposition amana
manya ntia se mo account bi Sunyani East na yewra me ofa Nkum Bartholomew and a signatory to that account.
Okay.
And the minimum because
formally no idea position.
Oh, formally. But I'm some organizer, yeah. Executive committee and constituency executives and chairman Damta a chairman no. Ye ka ho asem no. Nam say Bartholomew your organizer. The latest one you ye na on obey constituency chairman. To know your organizer. For that one I think I quite remember.
I see. Me gusua jomo ya juma pa.
Na
na
busy bastard.
So me confirm say there were council be so ho a. Sela chairman Damtam so that's why signatory.
Hey. Kwame say last week me kan wa ha no mo kire wo say e wo mu so wo mo koto aba pa nipa ba ko obedi wo manim as flag bearer for now no mo yi nipa num na fe wo makosi enum ne su tinaye but issues wo mo constituency ni mo ese so mo hwe no mo solve enra wo ye news time ye interview when chi secretary de ma NPP Alhaji Suwari no kan say bi o say when chi fo hu say mistake kase na omo ye ne 2020 nti a wo traditional seat buzi akurom ebo wo mo nti unimade a wo ma ye wo ma form a reconciliation committee perfect committee no bedi kan ahwese e de na si ye nti a ye lose wanchi 2020 committee ni wi a head of wo mo ofan constituency primary se be koso wo wanchi ho no na committee kro na san organize amasumduaba after primaries no
okay
kwame team Akye Parkle ko ti Prince ko ti Aboaje ko ti Wofori ne afre ye nyina ne ya masumdua ya adwuma na fe wo mo de akọ 2024 this is how they should start but say constituency issues wo mo saying say see whether this so called album ye hwe wo ye Facebook yi eye no kore na Sunyani East chairman want to me nkonko super delegate Libya e kire wo say party no national level wo ma recognize say afei de court ruling na ba May 2020 yem fanya adwuma na se ba ne sa afei na asem ni be huru more ebema na ye say former executives na bia ye pia wo masi nche ne be fili say afei de ye case now the current executives ni so be fili say there be yeso ya ntia ase na wo mu abedi animu na wo ma prema asumdua ba na nkasa na wo mu nan e hya atachemu no a na de odi akiri na be kwa akwhye
that's the issue
national executives ni emra from her not necessarily Sunyani East nkwa per se but wo mu nkọ from ho on say da bia me catch us ade e be ma political party bi akọ position simple apart from my Mrs. Celia brother party eye a party
e ba ko so aba o
anopa me say wo kan ya
si brother party
o ma Mrs. Celia brother party obia ni mu say obia ni perfect this is the one person obeji no kura tum say koba ni say MPP and break 8 no muko opposition when you are counting the factors you can leave a brother press issue out
oh so there assembly a basic party
presidential staff of
a factor assembly a basic party mu bia no ewie e be kan elections nti ya ne de nye a brother party nko
ina make us who can factors no a
be ka ho bi
bela ma se mu ma me kobra me kwa aba
Jimmy D se sika eba wo wallet mu straight a eye koko kra asidan koma ZP mobile money sisi ade wadofo betumi di sika afa wo MoneyGram so ama na beto wo ZP mobile money wallet so direct abre biara sika beba wo wallet no mu no wonsaka 10 cedi sika chede but star 270 ash na fa hu sem Jimmy D akwenya bebre a akwansidie biara nimu na mum insise kakra wo ho.
The system has nothing on her. Those in power fear what she can do. She is Madame, and she is here. On one hand, she's a humanitarian, and on the other, she's using them to seduce men in power for favors. Madame is a new drama series that explores the evils of an uncontrolled system where young women are exploited. Showing Mondays to Fridays at 8 p.m. on Aquaba Magic, DSTV channel 150, and Go TV channel 102. Stay connected on star 759#.
Franco Trading Enterprise or your bofo say mabusiane Franco abusiane hia ye hia how ba kokora say the shase kitwe bi ni mobile phone so there Samsung, iPhone, Infinix, Tecno, ye Nokia no jajai say abusiane nyi o dodo na ba be ka ho smart TVs are shase free 32 inches go see 55 inches beba mo frana tenefo ayimre news TV series ne soccer ne so kepe family Franco air conditions from a pepe bi shase free 1.5 2.0 and a 2.5 horsepower energy saving accessories there P now screen protectors, chargers, power banks, Bluetooth earpiece, AirPods ne diaka ne nyina Franco Trading Enterprise yempo boss yi Francophone esa wo wholesaler ya toma wona pese betu ne koton ne jemfa zogu omboto Franco ye adwuma dwoda kosi memene da anopa 8:30 kosi anwumre 7:45 Sunyani obenkoko board runabout oni OA bus station in a buenimhwe fra one 020-276-5836 Franco Trading Enterprise still phone papa fie.
Onipa de obenya pomoden a ne ewudi na wonom no eno na mo pomoden eno nti na abenfo hye you are what you eat.
Ne Santina Garden Herbal and Organic Shop abe pie Sunyani krobia we ma e boa ya pomoden.
Garden ya dwumakuo bi a yeto bibiduro hodo bia bi wo ho abibiduro a eboa sha yade bi te diabetes, stroke, hypertension, malaria, typhoid ene nyarewa hodo a metim modin afi wo bia wo so na opese ne so te wo ba ho a ye benya nura ma
enya no nko a ope organic product any food supplement a ebo to yarewa fi a wo ba ya so e ho so a wo benya bi se wo pe garden na enya yira kwan ko a ye wo Sunyani krobia we mo Absa Bank road no ultra top asori dan na aponsa ye to so mienu ase ho pe na garden ewo se ankrankro pe bi ato ana wo pe bi atu ana ye de bre wo ahwe ye no free number we 020905936 ana 0245775 593. Garten, God's answer to health is nature.
I don't look like what I have been through.
Newman School of Languages. Bia or two on board German Kasa, Vrofo Kasa, and of a French Kasa. And one Yase, who joining Wabushia, Ewo Iru, and Ampo, Okosia dear, Ewa Mononiana. Oh, yes, and yeah, Namekan for Newman School of Languages and a Diamawo. Newman School of Languages, as so chair a school for dear, and my walk or trail on GOTY exams, and my one passe, say A1, A2, and Ampo B1, B2, and the Akakanwa. Nina, Wabachao, I'm working Kama, Sampo. Opa to kwai na ukwatre GOTY exam CB na udimu nkonimdia Newman School of Languages ana make for Adiamawo enti say ye GOTY exams na opesa wotro ana brofo kasa na opesa usua German kasa ana mpo French kasa na opesa usua emfo woni nhwemo ba bia fo woni chiemo Newman School of Languages hwehwe Newman School of Languages a kira kwan ewo SCA Sunyani ewo SCA Hospital achipe of Sunyani Brekum Road ana mpo fre ewo 0248-710-743 and a 020-489-5596. Newman School of Languages ana fakasa siaso na ma kwanto nyamrema.
Why you crowd say Wubenya will check for every 10 million at Chedian Umwana? Become Betway Scratch and Winner a free 19 June Ecosi 30th July. Wait there, Betty Bia Ubebo Casino Games Wubenya will scratch card. Now Webema will quite am winner at Chedia Hudrobe Brain. Kaise card Bia Unyano. Ebema will quite am who at Chedia Kesia Ubenyano. Becca will say www.betway.com.gh. Gaming Commission of Ghana and Sasha Sia. Uni if you know what here and Kohun Betway. Wow, Kaiser.
Aha! After no matter what here, say wo kan yampa say wo bow dan so wi a e be ye fast in the buildings a e wo area mu hanyina. Yes, na Yak Roofing Systems Limited. And I make a difference no. Say den tia anabro sign. Na Yak Roofing Systems. And chance na bosswa e dano de bufua. All types and colors. Oh, size be no ntwama wo. Wo IBT, IBR, self-rock, MSL, Euro tiles, depth tiles, and shingles. And send to accessories. That is red caps, dolly gutters, rain gutters, special leaf, side trim, and many more. One colors the infedio, Japanese color bond, and a premium aluzen AZ150. Na Yak Roofing System. When coming on in Tamwa, Ojamankachi, or Yak Roofing, a Jobetma be power danoso, Asa Roofing, Amadana Yak Danokra. And did you say, say, na Yak Roofing Company Limited say, what danda da crowd boss one, se Kalano Afedia, na Yak ATT, Asana spray, Amakara less dadamubu. Say a bad woodwork Bianswa, what you call Yak. Or you free estimates, Emma woodwork, metal trusses, and aluminium trusses. After sales service, and a free technical advice. Any extreme womocha coin. Head office, any factory na ewa Sunyani Atronia Road. One is Sunyani Traditional Council in the Dishanimu. Ewa Asufufu. Branches ewa Sunyani. Between Malcolm and Stambik Road doso. Brekum branch no. Ewa Anansi Krum. Opposite Mombasa. So wa Doma and then Krankwantanswa. For Hotlands 0599-939992. And 0244 940174. Goso, a Mem Junction, Tachiman, and Kranza Road. For 027-188-2930. Na Yak Roofing System. Modern roofing sheets. Any profile. Papebi.
Football isn't just a game, it's a feeling. And with GoTV, no feelings will be spared. Feel the frustration and feel the ecstasy of victory. Nobody but GoTV gives you all games of La Liga and Serie A and the Premier League and UEFA games that matter. Get a GoTV decoder and 1 month super subscription for only 249 CDs and get front row seats to the new football season, cause it be football overload. GoTV, love it.
Mofra eye Nyankopon adoma chede. Mofra eye chede Nyankopon de dom ahofo. Enti so ye panyini na wo tete akwada na sa abofra no. Se wo di abofra nani, wo hye abofra bi ene eye a. Eye ade a wo di tieti akwada no, ne fa hodie so. Broni say child abuse. Enti wo se akwada ye mobo. Na wo hye no ane no adai. Akwada ketu ete se no watu na jeje mu yi. Wo hye niema de aso akwada ketu ete se na ne kon nyina tai. Ti nya omobompu. Akwada ketu na ade ntade ete se ahye no amna de je nyina gu hoi. Wonim se wo de akwada yi ekwa akoto amanie. Atete kwada nani osu akwada famu no. Ya na bro adwene ntiase so. Why na kabia man kwada yi? St. Anselm's Anglican Child and Youth Development Center. Wane Compassion International Ghana. Omode nkaibo semi ba wakwan mu. Na unim se Ghana mamra no etiase otieti akwada bi fa hodie so de. Omode a na bodofsu anase any child related institution wo Ghana nyina. Bona manientam so e. Na uni kron so a ukoyi wona sotire fa akwada bi atete ho no. Oma meda wo ho adi. Kai se enkaiboi St. Anselm's Anglican Child and Youth Development Center. One Compassion International Ghana and a diba wakwen.
21st clinic say eba sciatica no every usisimu kono a woto ase ho no ntina fa usrem ekosi wo na ase ho no ebo betimi atutu ama wo ankasa wo hu ba bi enye enti 21st clinic wo mo na ye sciatica expert e wo Ghana ha wo mo de bibiduro so ho bibiduro ankasa ene besa o yade no masa de machine aka ho yade bibiduro ka ho ne asa de wato machine so ya san ya o massage bi ye wi a herbal treatment yade awono ama ho ye sciatica 21st clinic na ye expert a wotu ase Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho enkran domi market wo ho heavy do dan ni mo ho ena kuma senso ahia wudu session so wo mo na nie dwaboso wo mo ho Sunyani ni wenchi ni ba bia nkranza 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Yenina yetie Sompa.
Yenina yetie 98.9 FM, the mega powerhouse station. I don't pay your remwa na eguso aye din komo. Bibia to dinya. I don't pay a bedding komo and painful be bedding komo. Se bibia to mua. Yanem painful be bedding komo on fees na emreni drua na bibia tutuma hon komo no ebeba abron my dear ne kra no pen
kwa me pacho me enwi biscuit ya na manchi 4 biscuit na wodwa so no every CBL West Africa na eguma hodo na no pay won se me mfanto wani mu sen wo bono mantema hinkro Sunyani ana se bono ha ba bia na wo so talk ese ope akwanya wo de betonton ye biscuit ni bi na so na wonim ho nkomodie ahon komone ne sen wo store ne so wo ba bia wo de niema ne sie kama wo ye provision store enti ye de biscuit ahodo ne bi bebrɛw na wo mom nso so wo de kɔ enkronkuma mu na wo tonton na wo nya sika efrim manchi product ahodo a efri CBL West Africa company for nchen no wani age ho na opesa wo ton bi a pacho over fresh 0244 85 61 41 0244 85 61 41. Uhia sika ZPay. Uhia so wo Ghana special network bia so. Network ni mu bia wo so no. Utumi register use ZPay na jimidi. Ebre dikan a wo be register ZPay no, ye cha 10 cedis airtime. Etu be mia star 270 hash. Star 270 hash. Star 270 hash. ZPay. Wo de mane na wo de yisika abra wo nkodi line wo bank. Eye akwanya simple. Unya sika ni wi afadoma sika. Kache droba ni sempacho mesi wo S-bag ba bi o maduane ede. Ne bo wo fom na nutrient aye mu ma no. S-bag restaurant ewo gudi echi ewo dumase kwan so. Banku, fufuo, emutuo, Ghana jollof, Ghana plain rice, Ghana vegetable rice, anointed rice anwamo. Ni nyina ye ton bi. Na Belaland Learning Center of Onma anwamo brofudi no anointed rice.
Anointed rice. That's amu ayasra no.
Anwamo.
The catering madam you to a catering. Onim no ka say ye onse ya ma wo trade duane a onim ye. Na nim na akotro oil rice. Osi emse maame no medim se bia hwe agu ne na so kra da aduane on beso obete kra yes anointed rice on beso anwamo so
anointed rice
maame ne me
ya sra mo ne
na akwadwuro ntimi twere de be simple
umpe
bre odi gu di je ne gu
na wo kwa no ene kra de mo na ba yentan po ha ho hohoro eti ye kan na uhia mobile phone papa de adijuma eye Franco Trading Enterprise na de tie nie musu manager kon kran wo ho
on your own kind see
ne e beba ne obetwe na ni aba ha de na che ta so ode na bia sa be sumu ukwa Franco a phone eguma hodo no ye wo Itel, Samsung, Tecno, Infinix mobile phone e wodin ni nyina ye ton bi iPhones ne de eguma hodo no na Pro Max ne so aba eti ba ko aba kwa me Tecno de o ka so beto bia ma me no come on 20 no
yeah
enra chi ye call Tecno Franco ho no
yeah
sa come on 20 no hey
come on
kwa me enya izo oni size Franco wo Sunyani ye ni o edanu di elimhwe obefre 0246422338 na ofre wiea na wanya phone na wie no pacho gi sa number we ayekulu Ghana Limited phone number 0244 275 429 0244 275 429 me pacho oye beman wa ho odin akofom utimi ni umemasam beman pacho wo no ho kani ebehie mu a na adane na asesem to bema pa de asan no ho kani mu bedi mu nhie mu na afi wo da ho ne yire twe ben no o adwa me mpesa mka so se no ye committee wodua nkwanta ya mante ho na mina ye me o de sa na aba no pa 6 no adware ko ahia obi be hwe TV na ma enti Mr. Kill ni wadrun ugunsuo to aso se be ma ugunsuo so a na wodua mu eye wo ya edo no eye hunchun capsules oba wo de no ye araba bazin tablet o memle tablet no a e ma himfie ye neat e ma himfie ho ye de maun Kulu Ghana Limited phone no bi oba bi etonton e bibidro ne pharmacy no mu nyina gi number ne foforo 0206 271016 Belala Learning Center ma yakonya sonko am ye betumi ama ye ne ye career persons ma no yetumi ahwe ye ma ne ahwe wo mu yie wo de wabodoma na wadi abosume miensa kopem mfie miensa no eba ye nya abotre hwe no ye momu di agro ye nya abotre dware wo mo sesra wo mo de wo mo to ba bi ye na ye wo facilities ne equipment ni nyina won Belala Learning Center pacho ba bi anu echi ne ye fro the place no esi ye fro groovies e ben KFC eti oba frɛ 0241 28 25 33 0241 28 25 33 na kwame ade ehia me pa ya Ideal College sen wo wie senior high school wan twa yie wo masua no ensohwe na ankoyi amawa. How can you fail again? Bridal College be register. Course na wo ye no. General arts and business. Aya home economics and visual arts and general science and. Wo dey sign be register courses na wo fail wo mu no. Na ye literature, na ye physics, na ye chemistry, na ye biology. Wo dey be register bio. Na ye mwa wo na sua na twere na twa. Also so betumi abaye evening and ye weekend classes no ebin. Ye wa Alaska Junction e wo Sunyana besim kwan so ni. Obefra yen wo 0246 133 473 0243 011 435. Sebia sene ma wo hawa baby asesa wo de koye Oak Dental Clinic. Sa wo ba Oak Dental Clinic esi antokuro demu kese a woni nye ho ye se efe no gire o se me gire de ne de eson dodo esi na numu na ye fi na manka kakra bam esi no a wo pesa wo de bibi boss na wo de bo pre man Bra Oak Dental Clinic okosi ne se wo kuro bi so e na janity pa ye da bia niti pa no Bra Oak Dental Clinic Sunyani ye wo Jenny Guest House animu ho wo abesim wo ba frɛ 0201 660 218 0201 660 218 me pacho obeda eye royal foam for mattress na me kan for ma de tie nie yate boa no so how much chemu edu 10%. It is a boa no eye 1 cedi a ya say 10% free 1 cedi ne so. Oba ye de sumiye mienu na chew for free. Royal Foam showroom bi a wo my Ghana mu na saade yi kosom. To anama oba bono ha say ya. Obenya bi wo scoreboard na chi wo Coronation Park ho no mo. Ba bi bia nso a ye store ni bi ewo no. Uwura ho a 10% discount na ekoso plus miye mienu. 020 227 1000 020 227 1000 afa ma me mfa unra adansie mu en wo si dan no pagasi wa first wo bebo so eyen chance aye na ne kala ansesam empopo entokro ne dam eye Joy Chem Roofing Company Sunyani ye wo area 4 ye ben go filling station wo kwan na de call ST run about ofa very hono mo an me patro Joy Chem fo chance no wo akire na apase ye behwe dodo osan e na me de bebo so ye beba behwe amawo me dan no e wo yamfo sai na me de bebo so ne ya behwe wo beto chance na o me de kosusu anso ne ye de akwa akogya on 0551 009 000 na wabo dan so awie fe na waye POP no Ohima Enterprise na me twe wadwe aba o mo so sen wo be ye o POP na bra ye o POP samina ye o POP wire ye wo POP fiber and ye wo POP binding wire entisa ebedwire agu ye wo POP ho akade ne nyina bi mpacho wo pene baako wo tu ne dodo de akoya metwa akwaton de ye POP o ye metwa wo de bra Ohima Enterprise na yentu bi mfama wo ne hwe abo no so se na fe yemfa enchew fofofo na won so koton na nya sika gu botom Ohima Enterprise e wo sunwa afia pre kwantempon ne so Ohima Junction ho o tra jokuna gas filling station no a onsa enifa so wunya tra weather for no ho no a pacho obefre 0203 7219 060203 721906 afa wabo POP na wie aka de oreba face na udidi wie na apase bi free ni padua ni kwa wotena so unsa face yesi yewo nkonwa tuntum ene ye fe nkonwa fufuo WC ni din ba kono oh obi fro na wo uye ohu ya so meti nkonwa fufuo so tisi ade aba no eti wo se first na nananom wati o nananom konkonwa tuntum da mu oh ezi eka no nkonwa fufuo o hye ho no wo ye no hu ya so meti nkonwa fufuo so Anatabo Ventures na di nkonwa fufuo papa ni nyina aba Jintao Sanitaries womo ye China Maimu Company na womo na ye sa WC na aba na unya tena so a wo bewie no engumu eti wo mia pampam ho fu na flash call eti sa wo pene papa de ye ketwa de ye ho de ye kese an e ya Anatabo Ventures Sunyani ye won PWD baby a Newtown kwan so wo de sane akon sabenko wo station ho no an na fe wa frame 0553 288 616 0553 288 616 nana kwa me owusu Nkwantabisa atese yese nkomo a wo bedie no emudo emuodu na de niam papa baba nipa asetene mu se ye hunu faces ntamo a kanya ni se nei niam bia ya te se de nkrofo de $1 million sisi
obedwa na num sisi a se no ya de ozo physics wabon
ona na taye homework mai
ona akire pi wo yo
me akura ma nkosa na school makanya ko ye physics me mpache
boko wati ko wonya kwanya sua physics
wati ko se me ko training
college ni adisua no bia bi wo
ani 11 nyina
na physics ka ntimi o
ana na mintimi me course bi
no pendulum box na de ma pink
I'm a proper feeling
me physics jai fa jai me lecturer na chef no e good ti na ma ye nyina ye pe na chemistry papa na che oba bia wamuna ti na me pe physics ndi na me pe ogado ba wamuna na buse bare owurewura yes so physics there come Arapa me catch us say bibia tutuma ye bedi nkomo na thank God say mpanyifo yi etimi aba be kan yensa anopai yene yera Joseph Adom or Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Anope were joining us. Osawo Konfo Anochi. Okay, so answer Prof. And so our Professor Daniel J. And so waha na University. Hey, we trade the mean who? France. French on. Hey, Prof. Where the area movement must. Okay, I'm pay. Merci beaucoup. Merci. Dr. Martin Husumes and so also from Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. I don't pay ye dim komo na afa fees na anope mebuso a kwan so ankasa na yenu mu ahyem komo na so you can join us na obehu mpanyifo no ha beautifully and well dressed with Omu Ken University Nyansapo. Yes, it's handman of person say yes. These are indeed real brains. And pay Omu Babe Boy. I'm very mama chin. I'm my quabanso.
Yeah,
the only thing, Doctor Niana, you're Adumni. Adum saw microphone. Aha, they said your parliament is fantastic. Aha, fantastic. Medasiano pay. Mammy, mention same few one, and then Monante Siankasa ASA.
Okay, I'm saying, let's start.
Oh, now, yeah.
Professor,
okay. Obia would move on, Professor.
Oh,
Prof. Okay, and what's the mission?
The Decan, that was as I share motive. Okay. I'm saying, your mission, no, you're kitty the public brace through physics.
Yeah.
The public brace, it's a worker, physics teacher, but Antissa, physics were a lot of applications.
Okay.
I'm the FM station, I'm running in and saying physics are and you're possible. Now there is an aspect of physics, I a friend of medical physics. I know your application of physics in medicine. Said they use physics and they treating NIPA, especially on cancer treatment.
Wow. Physics.
Physics. Who's I own
chemistry, biology, physics. Wow, that is interesting.
And no near Mabia, Sebi, Yenuanum, or more secondary school near the Adenum, and Tiasia. And a free Monday now, basically, there, of course, secondary schools be brave. A bon daru, send over who say there is an aspect of physics very applicable to medicine. And no nam. Now, Jumadia ye the Nano, I supported by the French embassy in Ghana.
Oh, wow.
Now, any non-Kwan, a French embassy in Ghana, or support a lot of projects. There was so many of the universities in Ghana. Now, one of the projects, Adea Akye Abia, and it's Adea Akye Abia who had and Shada Nyaki US in Kwanya Sapona.
Where you support French?
Where you support French? I don't know, say France for Baba Hakran, air country. And to also to have also French. And having two languages or three crowd are very important.
Okay.
Now, projects in the Akase Boswa, there are a lot of them that they are doing to help. Make us say every year we are almost supporting even students for their master's programs in France, and then lecturers and many other researchers to come to France. So they be some of the laboratories, the equipment, and to learn and to also share knowledge. And this is what the embassy is doing. And a free or China say a lot of students from secondary schools, about 900 of them, to also talk to them about physics. And to the aspect of medical physics, Dr. Usu Mensa, I bet you it's all a medical physicist. Education, I was all firm in order to become a medical physicist.
Only I'm dead dog. So then a Bema Timabaya, I can say medical physicist. Now, yes, I can. Yes, I'm interested.
So, Opeso be medical physicist. You will be a friend, a qualified medical physicist. Okay? Because Oko handle nipa. Until say making sure say what fantitiemu on Esuya dear as say dear, ye nipa shown, sir. Wait me ayeni ye add to you like and chima biamaho, Sana Pesamiche. It is Opeso be a medical physicist. Also, we have physics for at least 4 years. Now, when you have a solid foundation of physics, because the oye nyina all the physics na ebe nti also unya physics ni mu ntiase yie nti also ye 4 years of physics uwie no a onye qualified medical physicist also usan koye the friend school mu to aso master's degree for 2 years nti first year no ye be church oniema mu na second year no ya ma project say project we ye na my result a ibetumi result for fra and I say nimdie for fra be ba be kan nimdie ho. And now we're in the second year of masters, no. Now we are no so still now no unya qualified enough. Okay. Enti I was sign hospital, a clinical setting because I obey you hospital no. I was say do fan to TM. Enti normally no ye ma penyin ba kwa ono wa bin wo mu. Na wo sua woni na sen kakra saa for mfie mienu. Enti no be ka ho na ye mfie nwotwe. Envu we no so still now, no, you who say only qualified medical physicist. In two sign control, so here, the friend a licensure exam. To say the nurses near doctor for near dear trono, pepe. Into trove now pass ya mal pin, now fade ye. Ya do what to say. I fade ye, the nipa show sir. Bet me a shenaman in titia or pay ye. Ah, to say, Obina hoto. And no, and I am titia, your firm. Into to say the doctor for me now, and feel what we are what control licensure a pass it. Now we are a clinically qualified
course.
Yes, there can say physics in itself and your profession, but medical physics there a profession, a highly skilled profession. To say a professional, only masters are doctor for cry a degree, no more but medical physics is a professional who here at least a master's degree. And Tintiano, you make sure say what being ye. And son, you are your foul say, oh, you're qualified medical physicist. It made any passion, so I say, show more. No,
no, yeah, accounting, we are just all chatter.
Exactly. Bibisa pepe.
I see. That is interesting. Now, maybe I say, where the Miana medical physics. Physics, you know, your school, your I dream pobi physics. Now, medical, how difficult would this be?
Honestly, you will students be bria or move rema a say physics na muno adding. Nanso say yama physics no up genya lecturers near dear or many students no about tre because physics no a bible bano show. But omu be romu na for ye starting moment here from year 1, year 2, year 3 corner. After na any year I started ebe mu bebre because me kai time physics be rem na nipa kakra bi 2030. These days it means over 160 students.
Wow.
In the first year doing physics alone.
Wow.
Enti kakra nipa ni ba physics ne ho. And na first no so naka ye maba e wa no. Omo pe physics no as omo suro kakra physics ne maths no. But say kakra nyame adom ye third year biomedical physics class kra no ye o ma no bebro MC 15 e wo ho first na ka obewura class so bi a mema 30 baba kwa na oba mienu ma mienu but say den kakra maba wa ni bem ya ma physics no aye practical e wo so hu say ade no e wo application say ade de usua na wa amfa anya adwuma enche na refi enti woman ye more practical sebe ya akwano ehu se ade nini sa ohu da che hu se ade we mi ye ni sei and sa nti ya na ma na ye more practical sebe ya enkra na disua no ebe ye nije na ebe ya hom ka no musua o masan ye hu.
Okay. Ma mensan musa we say from basic on say so bi kwa medical medicine say the attack kan ohia say o study science with this kind of course no from senior high school bano there was special courses be a meya ansa na metimi area.
So because say a application of physics no it was science background.
Okay.
Because only science background na physics na ye besua e dia building on abe medical physics no unya sa basic knowledge na ye kano. And normally the for physics science students you need at least a science background. Into your science background now be physics and kakra na fe ura your friend is say university numa wakoye physics into your hono ye bema a solid foundation ye bema courses be ye link to some medical physics na bema antiasie into sano afe ye the biology ni ade ne kakra be kan ho ye the medicine ne kakra be kan ho a na ahyemu kena
I see.
Sana etie.
Okay. But me name the obeboa me with this. Me a medical physicist. Yes, I'm can. Me rule ankasa ide. What is my role, Mr. Adom?
But I see baby I think said that now can you know quite physics now you soon. Yeah, because my life in your person me adwuma wa yaresabia. And because physics so you been that I yaresabia me person me adwuma ni physics. But KNUST physics department, you are doing something wonderful over there. When you get to your third year, you must specialize it. To be quite geophysics, to be quite material physics. Physics is competing. Physics, like so, you have biomedical physics. So when I saw it, I said, "Ash, I did the biology." So I think I took that opportunity until me go through, until me am attachments. Nti me kra de me nya lucky masters no mo kan kra no me ma anya masters na me nya adwuma.
Wow.
Me national service for Comfornochi oncology directorate where we treat cancer. So it's about cancer treatment. Nti me me national service we no na ye ni nipa dodo mo ye medical physicists. That's why professor had to come for us to go around. So we are in need of medical physicists. So when I finished, the nurses, I remember a time came, they decided that they will not work until they employ medical physicists. So how to be employed for my first degree now. So medical physicists, Juma Ben Yedi or hospital. When it comes to cancer treatment, when you say Yarian Casano, Bibia ye photo chat. So Kotana doctor Nima. Before so baby no amount of paper say Kocha CT scan. Kocha S3, Kocha ultrasound. Nina machines near the training in medical physicists and making sure say machine produce the right amount of radiation because when radiation is same from major because a coach photo over once or channel or yes sir. So footballer be ko bobo na ni namu be see a coach scan near her degree of the injury nina machine on the channel radiation. Okay. Me boss go for not Dr. Sebu so same from Meja. Won't she boss here but some from Meja so a effect because one in at the right places so it me cause normal baby. It me cause cancer. And medical physicists in the job on said CT scan, MRI, ultrasound, X-ray machine. You make sure that the machine is working properly and giving the right amount of radiation to give better imaging. That's one aspect. When it comes to the treatment aspect as well, when it comes to cancer treatment, machine and cancer crana ya debe deliver radiation to kill the cancer. No, medical physicists I say ya huajuma, ye hu se machine ye correct before answer ye juma. Ye we no, on say e bia ye treat cancer of prostate. Mema, when say your prostate, minim how mechanic it's one of the cancers I have mema pa, and when you do 50, I saw your PSA. Prostate specific antigen test to see whether so PSA ni kosoro ana eba form obi o ha etumi ye kese na push you blood ano to bo ontumi kranyo so bo onso ontumi control the urine because ebasa na tumor no cancer ni push blood ano na mana ye ketekete it juice so kakra bi bempe na ye say leak out because I feel space ni nyina wo hwe yase ho no so a rectum so ho now this small organ na ho no any day radiation ebe killing radiation medical physicists has to make sure say ye be planning case say ye be we no uba with prostate cancer on samfa bladder cancer and kofie uba with prostate cancer on fa rectal cancer and kofie so it's a work of the medical physicists say ye be making sure say you amount the right amount of those to the target to treat the tumor cells. So when you come to cancer treatment, breast cancer, obiba with breast cancer, on say ultra breast now. Beneath the breast, there's a lung, there's a heart, there's a liver. Medical physicists has to make sure say you treat only the breast cancer, the tumor. So we do all this work in collaboration with the doctors, the nurses and the therapists, so that we go and deliver the right amount of those. So that's the work of a medical physicist.
I see. You can't breast cancer, you can't prostate, you can't wait. Cancer anything. Cancer anything.
Cancer. You say you're two way. Unama kwano. Which one you say na out here? Until cell no develop sa eko enyini na eko na ebiewu. Maybe sorry, ebiwu. Until unama kwano e divided. But some of them maybe how a free.
I see.
Not that one. Who has skin a terrible now skin a pili off.
Yeah.
You are not some barber machine. Now, you want to make one a divided no. a divide and a do maybe a second gena home. But cancer the idea and gena home. Na developers are both a baba yajua. Neda will no fum. Na baba yajua, neda wani. But the cancer na casano. Bra. A bit me affect you through 3 so kwesi nasi. Wow. Baby a cancer no bit me ayo. Because me who cancer of any ano ye touch them ye hwene ya so baby a. And who besides then the cause of cancer na me to me can chiro. Obia nso ntumi nka and nti na mo ho asem ka no aye den no nti wotu we at risk me at risk ye maame at risk sikani ye at risk ohiani at risk and na ma say medical physics no it has become so important say we need so many people because the cancer rate no prevalent to say so cancer kwa wo malaria tuberculosis, HIV, 3 no combine with new cancer death. So first na will be who pay so oh ya to na draw. The four ya kaka the aboni dia. She say when ubehwehwe mo no na bi okra hepatoma. The blood the liver no na ye kese na ma na fu no aye kakraka has become cancer. See nim dia ba no no say medical say and all these treatments you know you can never administer any radiation treatment so treat cancer without medical physics. Enye adwuma.
They have a there job market availability of job because parent be a person buy kwa my dog or them say me kwa dog me be post me.
Yeah.
How difficult is it say uwie na pay juma?
Okay. The do adwuma we hu ne say adwuma ho. Okay. Uwie adwuma ho. But mama started from this angle. Now the intia ye near bria ye promote say and for about medical physics. Since say Ghana started say training medical physics no medical physics I training ye be 100 pe.
Ghana henina.
Ghana henina omo ye be 100
pe. 30 million.
Yes, omo ye be 100 pe. Near training. But omo ya training so be 50 pe and that's so a what some medical physics way hospital training and a clinical setting. Say ya one. Sanity say o my training no ebi tu kwan ekwa amano ne ebi ko ha 50 pe because training na ye de ma wo Ghana ha no it's recognized globally by IEA any institution bia any country bia into your medical physics for her utimi ko amano ne ba bia ko ye adwuma and say who say a nurse for a doctor for you ne ko we English aboshime sa na medical physics so bebre na feel say so hene hoya obetimi akọ enti ebi so kon kakra enti so far the your bear 50 pe ene wo economy na sa 50 no omo wo within just 6 out of the 16 regions enti 10 regions na aka no omo ni medical physicist eyo wanwa sa na tie enti 10 regions out of 16 no any medical physicist enu nti na ehu hia say you make sure say medical physics ne ho dehuro se be ya enkra na eba no ebefa a career in medical physics near training almost medical physicists. Now there wo sa program you hone say ya training 8 years here we ya wa pass licensure ya fa no sa profession we recognized by the Allied Health Professional Council and the Ghana Tertiary Education Commission. Enti wo wie ya ye postil ti say the postil a doctor for ne a nurse for no enti wo wie a adwuma wo ho and I we you say ye hia omo because regions be cry ni bi and a number na kasa nsusa and as they say ya other countries ama omo ho adwuma na aya ahom kanti bebre na so pese omo dwane ko enti adwuma de adwuma ho bebre ema nto ni mabawa na eba no because omo obi ewie school e show back on say ebi a onya adwuma but we de adwuma ho uwie ya government e postil when ya nice salary when ya adwuma kama wo ho I'll bet me aboa amaya sa ya wabiti say cancer any dey ekeka ho nyina.
Okay. Ophelia Janfi, how do I get in touch with them? Okay, don't worry. My name is Dr. Mbefria. They will show. Is there any special course? I think say answer no. Special. How do I apply? Okay. I think say yes question C.
Okay. Say ope say apply normally no you encourage say tell me kind or a solid foundation in physics. Okay. Into normally with me apply to Kent University to read a degree in physics. Into first 2 years no be general physics now for third year no we are started biomedical option. No, now we are starting training on kakra. So you can apply to the Department of Physics. Baby, I'm a child in my department to read a bachelor's degree in physics. Obaha, you be mount tiene kakra. We are working your masters and we go your internship. You are posted as a clinically qualified medical physicist.
Hospital, one of me, you
so many places.
Okay, Prof.
Anyway, Ghana Hano, Kabia said, don't focus on the hospitals. Okay. But we quite brochure. Medical physicists work in so many industries, companies, and so on. Ninginani said there are so many companies who make use of radiation. I say, yeah, the use of radiation. And to use radiation, you need a medical physicist or somebody with an expert in the use of radiation to be able to apply.
Okay.
Because Dr. Adum Ekasano Ochra was a radiation no ankasa to me cause cancer and so. And the baby you use radiation biano. I was say a measure who say do say and a waha. Say na ye use no, say na ye protect no. And in fact, obio be medical physicist biano. Abruche membesa meka se biano kwa abruche. Membesa meka se biano kwa abruche.
Ode brabeje titi enu
na fasum Ghana. Mesro fasum Ghana. Mom se bibinti unya kwan na kwa abruche kra dia enne emu edepa.
Ai. Kebi ati ya me shewe.
And you know, any hospital kwa. Na mom sa specialized program we no.
Okay.
Yeah, focusing on the hospitals because said the Dr. Usumbe Nsakai no. Say o man kakraka we na nipa kakra bi but cancer is so prevalent in the country. Area hopa. And you know, ya nya nkrofo ama man ye ho adwuma. The burden ebeba betro ayarehwe ankasa adwuma no so. Ama se treatment a bianca ene nipa 5 na was you treat here. This nipa baako because they say medical physicists no. Odo na was ofa wo images no. Now we're analyzing who say with tumor size in it. This is a control volume area was a missected and they had oh yes so much of planning. It takes about 5 hours to plan the case.
Wow.
And you know, say in a day, no, I was so here my 8 hours. Sabi obedi. And one day, piano, and here I obeyed my only one case. Adea Akye so now we cells na proliferate, multiply. Multiply, and as a tumor no grow. Until we both say treatment no delay. And you know, and I yes, stress. Yenuano mabawa. Yenuano, till a free now, Monday, your secondary schools for Kumasi, Mampong. And run here were Achirensua, Hidiem, Kenya, and then Yakob Chinamamfo, Yabeko, Notre Dame, or China, Twaswak or Doma in Nkwantabisa, and Sana.
How is the feedback from
in fact, the feedback has been so positive.
Great.
And I am so motivated. Madam, if you're a man, much like a crowd, but I'm so motivated that students have gotten to know this. Because now be brain him say or your physics crana obey to me and they up in such an opportunity. And see the no me who say as just say me maniaje because you know flying all the way here to see that people are accepting what you have advocated for no not just a need to say mkesepa and see no actually no ye two or more for so I was saying chena form 3 for no better exams yenim say crana be seriousness, you know, has gone down. And through this program, so apart from saying, yeah, but we won't no, yeah, there are 2 or more for pa. But be also headmasters, headmisters, teachers, you know, so AGM first of pa. Until in fact, yeah,
more bantamanka, my administration. Because they are a science student. I thought you administration.
Also, no senior advantage at what science. So we are science, you know, you can do so many things. And for instance, I know so many of my colleagues who did physics and now in the banks. Some are in the ICT session. Some are in several, you know, other fields. And, you know, choosing to even study physics in the first place at the university opens you to several opportunities. And, you know, who be a physicist now? Menstrual. Say, in medical physics, no crown a target. And I said, when ya you have so many, opportunities or options to choose. And the messenger, especially when you are mom, your perma be brave, was science. Dr. Osumensaka said, KUST only 2 female lecturers. Yes, your man. Scholarships were Emma Wong. Now, if my country was say, person who share there were France and so on. There are opportunities for you. Some very well, I can't crab and so
and the money number physics. Okay, but the more you are on the field, how's the experience like? Well, I didn't have there.
Yeah, it's very nice. Actually, me akasa me komu because me brand na me di na chi wie. Tama na me be course university. On share me secondary school. Say my university education quite delay kakra. So me share na liver cancer. So this thing it got to me and said no. So the heart I used to work at my department, I don't know, because I stay at Nkwantabisa. I'm always on call 24 hours.
Wow.
My phone shouldn't go off.
Wow.
Yeah. Because there's times patients remove the radiation source. You have to come. Even when I was not employed, patient pull radiation source. I had to run like 2 a.m. come back to the hospital to save the patient.
Wow.
So like you have that sense of fulfillment.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, the sense. I like that. I've been working for over 12 years. Over 12 years. Yeah.
Wow, that's great.
Since 2008, I started working at the department, and I've been working, and there are several opportunities. When I started, near farm America,
hey, I did more though.
Yeah. And one thing is that was course plane ticket to. No, you. Hey, we do any summer per diem.
Physics
near more per diem, so for good. Interesting. We are near more baby at the Noakwaba. When you come, you go and learn, and you come and support, and that's the nice aspect of it. And sometimes I remember Nancy Nkwantabisa the Mashibi Besi or a bind to machine and be treated sophisticated cancer tumors and stuff. Not a SENCA program now, but the not training program come. But because a program need delay and training aspect in scanning free but you used to only machine Nkwantabisa had to cough money. Take us to Mayo Clinic in the United States.
Wow!
To go and train us. One interesting thing, when we were going with the doctors. The doctors they said, doctors, nobody 2 weeks. First one baby 3 months. It was and the doctors were like, what? They said, no. The people over there, they understand the principle and the work of a medical officer. So they told them. And when the doctors came, the machine is yours. So till we came and we applied and everything is working. Now Nkwantabisa is using one of the sophisticated machines in the treatment of cancer as I'm talking to you now. And you can imagine the situation of Nkwantabisa where we are. We serve about 12 regions in the country. Talk of Bono here, go so many regions. So the burden and the number of patient cancer cases. You see, and you have to love the job. And I'm happy we have one medical officer, a woman, when she sits down and she's planning, I look at her and I get so excited. And that's the joy of medical officers. And you see her, you ask her, she's so accomplished. My department, time came, I did not go for leave. Me started 2008. Man could leave that until today. I'm joining KNUST. So now, even at a lecture at KNUST, I come back.
Wow.
I come back to work. From teaching I come back because as they said, a practical way. And to which mani first enough is because I didn't abstract. I'm telling you, there be out both.
As a good school. Well class, I say a computer you with me.
Let's go me like now. Yes, that take pictures are KNUST student are practical session at Nkwantabisa. You're taking pictures to motivate the students. Brother, no class, hospital. And some of them, when they are coming, the joy alone coming to do their practical session at Nkwantabisa, and they want to do more. And I think a time will come from this work we are doing. Prof, when I heard this for the first time, so you've done well. And I think it's going to motivate most of them. And when we finish the feedback, as you were, you have the feedback.
Gracias.
It's nice.
Merci. Kamema dog never, but a quick one, Prof. Unfortunately, remember so what are the opportunities for Obi Sunyani of France?
Oh, me that's a part. In fact, I love a brave dream say France the just say work French answer. I good say what French. In fact, I will even encourage Obia to learn French.
Okay.
Because Ghana we are surrounded by French-speaking countries. And in fact, if you really want to work even in the international companies like UNESCO, UN jobs, it's good to have French. But and yes, you need a French to study to study in France, especially if you want to do a graduate program after masters. There are so many Ghanaians are France.
Wow.
Papa ya otuwe, Dr. Usu Mensa. Or the masters were University Paris where I am. Or the PhD, the doctoral degree, the same university in France.
Okay.
Or free one son all call university all call United States of America for the postdoc.
Okay.
And so I was of France, and there are so many other people from who studied in France. Ninyana said the French embassy in Ghana. I established 2 centers. One is at the University of Ghana, and one is at KNUST.
Okay.
We call it Campus France. Okohwa, Omo, and Crofua, ya training Womo, our move to Ebiso Free France, and Casa Moha. Ombe Bois schools, who apply programs are also selected, and scholarships available. Nina, home bachelor, kama. When you could do application process of even to go through the visa application, everything. Every year we receive more than 300 Ghanaians coming to study in France.
Great.
But unfortunately, a bisukrante cry. And I think that there's an opportunity to invite people to also apply to France. France has one of the best educational systems. And there were so many of our universities ranked in the world, ranking.
Okay.
And, I encourage, Ghanaians to come to France to learn as well.
Okay. But I see. Dog, I said French, don't take a crack.
Or can French, Papa.
Hey!
I show me crack.
Wait to me.
Make me young Kwana.
C'est bon. I don't know what's a media. Thank you so much. I think for more change, they are so happy. A lot of people are interested. See, how do we get in touch with more office? And I see a back campus, a back tech.
Yeah, back campus at KNUST.
Patrick, my main can be answered. I will say, you fat Akonya way so. That the French embassy in Ghana say, oh my idea, as senior prof kind, they are supporting a lot of projects and a lot of some of these opportunities. A lot of Ghanaian students. She don't must say, oh my, this opportunity with this funding or sponsorship. I might decide you may. Aside that, also with that prof, so I say, or no name a collaborator, they are the way by. I say, this is going to be a good opportunity. And honestly, joy I know what I do with Muno. Bibi pushy say, or say at least it's me time to us, because I say impact no. I might feel say there's that joy say we impacted someone's life.
Opener.
Exactly, and a lot of them have shown real interest in we that prof any my colleague Adoma say any other guys on my boy Manasseh Michael Omunina my boy pa. Can you imagine say and then Thursday by more than 10 schools. Yes, I say to us and then you're chilling now. Senka and one day or what you beat me to us will be 2 weeks and not 3 weeks. But I want to share than you hope. If I sign for Konya with the regional directors of my support Nasi. They've been all so wonderful. Like Ofre the enthusiasm with which they receive you, has been impressive. Any head teachers, baby Ayakubia. Head teacher ni hokra quickly an assistant head. Oh, Patrol Kofoya ba Monsho Mummy Munini say no mama teachers. Maybe hokra teachers now crash to Mukrasha but his name Siembi. It's a eye opener for a lot of people. Yet the head teachers need teachers on my boy so I say. And of course Sompa FM, some mama and Sompa TV, some mama is opportunity we say. And in addition to students now you come home almost to say a bit me akasama if you want to about medical physics, the opportunities there and what medical physics actually do. Into the moon I say and then you bumper say a bit me at first so a decide my head that's a part.
I like seriously. Oh, I see. C'est bon.
Ça la menu ano me ma me mo nkran kwanta ne do ma hinkro me ma me papa.
Oh.
Chia wo mu.
Wa ba fi.
Ma ba fi. Me wo mdie.
Ah, oh dear. French embassy for you that one say. Mr. I don't how can we be?
Yeah, Mr. Bika Kevin. Department of Physics.
Okay.
Department of Physics. Professors are more. I think they are motivating us, and the joy they used to, because they've seen that there is future in physics, and I think Department of Physics, there will be us professors or lecturers or so. I'm sure will be.
My member back contract a Saturday. Department of Physics here in UST. You open your door to students. Last year, they started a open day. This year, French Embassy NASA supports here my open day. Into more than 900 SHS students. The Department of Physics, Abeshe, the year additional research near their course. Nina motivational more students who say this is what we can do with physics. Tia Bompire say, be at Waswa, a fear beban so you bit me at was until do be and other schools no so. Him say next year, any other years, no start open day in the bed to us. So I reach out to all these schools.
Thank you, Doc. 98.9 FM, one more change now. It has been interesting. Michelle say physics and also now Onya Cortec. Okoke University, I bet you will be BM, Dr. Moore, Prof. Moore Honum to assist you to do this. You're from Nana Kwame. Osun Nkwantabisa, bet my friend Seki. It has been a pleasure being with you this morning. Sports for ATQ Vanope, no Masumye, Sompa. But birthday, be what have, hey, my mini birthday, seem free or Nano Pemen Koyesa and Tokwebe Bano. MCR for my radio. Moma mini birthday in free no pay. Na memma sports for and so some first birthday first birthday. Okay, today happens to be your birthday, Regina Chumwa. Today is your birthday. Oh, such a beautiful lady. Glorious birthday to you. More years, stay within, in between, grace. Enjoy your day. And today happens to be your birthday. Akosia sewa kobi amwakon. Akosia sewa kobi amwakon. Ene your birthday. Na o papa se odo pa ye. Circuit Court Judge Nebano Udru Circuit Quarter Judge or Judge Penino I pay you my very good morning. Nebani Akosia Sewa Kobi Amwako. God bless you. That is a grow to be the best. Happy birthday to you, Akosia Sewa Kobi Amwako. And this ends the last birthday for today. Hydrogen, today is your birthday. Such a good brother, you're a rapper. Glorious birthday to you, Hydrogen. A brother from another mother. I called him Yom Topao. Thank you so much, sports team. Thank you, everyone. This one is Song. Such a giant. Today happens to be your birthday. Glorious birthday. Nyakopon ma unsha ne nyekese. Na me fa nkwa fra dum nkwa adum. Sugar se ba kon de ye jai.
I'm on free. Jackpots mo hinin abo. Betway at